everyone and a very happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. Welcome to the special Eid transmission brought to you by Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. My name is Mubarak and today I will be making a very delicious dessert, Mango Delight, for you all. As this season is of mangoes, so I will be making a mango recipe which is known as Mango Delight for you all so that you can make it this Eid. To make the Mango Delight, what we need is I have cut around 3 to 4 mangoes. It depends on the quantity you're making. These are mangoes and we need fresh cream, a little bit of sugar, Mari biscuits, and I have taken out the cream from milk, which is known as balai. So I've taken some of it. Now let's start. Now the first step which we have to do is we're going to take all the mangoes and we're going to put them in a grinder. The mangoes have gone in. It depends if you don't like that much sugar, so you don't that much sweet, so you don't need to add more sugar. I'll add just a little and then we're going to grind it. Step which we have to do is we're going to take the Mary biscuits and we're going to layer them in the dish which is our serving dish. We're just going to place some biscuits out there. And then we're going to take out the mango pulp which we have made. And we're going to pour it. Now with the remaining biscuits which we have, we're just going to do a little bit of decorating. You can decorate it however you want to.